Hello students, welcome back to your science class. In today's new lesson, we will be investigating different materials. To start with, first let us know what is a material. Anything that we see around us is made up of a particular material. A raw material is used to make a finished goods. For example, this piece of furniture here, bed, is made up of wood. This door is made up of wood. This piece of furniture, the sofa set, the dining table is made up of wood. Other materials like the entire kitchen has utensils and other items made up of metal here. You can see the chimney is made up of metal. This entire cooking range is made up of metal. Oven, etc. are made up of metal. Here you can see different machineries which are made up of metal. Fabric is used in making the bed sheets, curtains and different clothes that we wear. Another material that we use is glass, used in making mirrors, window shields, etc. Another material that we use is concrete, which is used in building this entire house. Another material that we use is plastic. You can see plastic containers here, plastic tubs, plastic fittings in the bathroom, etc. Hence, the objects that we see around us is made up of a particular material. Hence, we can say that a raw material is used to make a finished good or items. We cannot make goods out of any material. For example, we cannot make clothes out of metal. We cannot make bed out of concrete. We cannot make the entire house of paper. Hence, every material has its own property because of which we can make any object out of it. What is property? Property describes what a material is like. For example, you can see different objects here. You can see a sponge here. A sponge is said to be soft. When we press it, hold it tight, it will get squashed. But as we release our fingers, it will retain its shape or come back to its original shape. Hence, we can say a sponge is soft. It also holds water. Hence, you can say a sponge is absorbent. You can see tiny holes in the sponge. It has the capacity to hold water in these tiny spaces. Next object here is wood. Wood is hard enough. It is rough when we touch it, and it is also easily carvable. We can use instruments to carve the wood. The next object here is elastic. Elastic is soft and it is stretchable. It has very special property of getting stretched. Fabric here is soft. It is also smooth and also absorbent. It can absorb and hold water. Glass here is transparent. We can see through it. You can see from one side to another side. Hence, it is called as transparent. Tire here is soft. Hence, used in vehicles so that we do not get a bumpy ride. Rubber is soft enough and can be molded into any shape and size. The next example here is metal. Metal is also hard. It is also strong. But if you give too much of heat to metal, it will melt and it can be molded into any shape. Once it is molded into any shape, it is hard to change the shape easily. We need tools or heat or any machine to change its shape. Hence, metal is always said to be very hard and strong and used for construction purpose. Next object you can see here is a brick. Brick is also hard and strong. It is also used for construction purpose. The next material here is plastic. Plastic is also hard but soft also when it is in a thin layer. Plastic is also said to be waterproof and see-through. You can see it is transparent. Some plastic bottles here are transparent. We can see through it, and it is also waterproof. It can hold water. Another material that you can see here is the book. This book is made up of paper, and paper is made up of pulp from the wood. Paper is said to be very weak when compared to metal. It is also absorbent. It can hold water. Hence, every object has its own property. Sponge is soft, wood is hard, rubber band is elastic, fabric is smooth, glass is transparent, rubber is soft, metal is hard and strong, brick is hard and strong, paper is weak and absorbent. We can say that every object is made up of a particular material based on the property it has. You can also find different materials in your house. Come on, go around your house, look around for at least 5 to 6 materials used for making different objects in your house. Thank you.